Hello everyone! In this video I'll show you how to check what type of AC coolant and the volume is needed for any car. In order to check the type and the volume of AC coolant required for any car, take a look under the hood. Mostly the sticker is located somewhere here, or in some cases it's located at the bottom of the hood. The sticker can look like this or can be a little bit bigger, white, but the most important thing is this icon. Once you found this icon, you can learn the type of the coolant for AC and the volume. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.